Rogers routers can be reset in two primary ways: a reboot, which is a soft reset, and a factory reset, which is a hard reset. A reboot is like restarting a computer. It temporarily cycles power to clear minor glitches without erasing your settings. To do this, unplug the router for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in, or use the Rogers Ignite app to restart device. Wait 2 to 5 minutes for it to boot up. A factory reset, on the other hand, restores the router to its original factory settings, erasing all user data, Wi-Fi passwords, and custom configurations. Locate the small reset button on the router's back. You might need a paperclip. Press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. For newer models like the XB7 or XB8, you can also do this via the Rogers Ignite app under the device settings. Remember that a factory reset should be used sparingly, as it wipes all your customizations. Be sure to have your Rogers account credentials handy to set it back up. After a factory reset, you'll need to set up your Rogers router again. First, connect a device to the router using an Ethernet cable or by connecting to the default Wi-Fi network. The default Wi-Fi network name, or SSID, is usually printed on the router, something like Rogers XXXX. Next, open a web browser and go to 192.168.0.1 or use the Rogers Ignite app, which is easier and preferred. Enter your Rogers account username and password when prompted. For advanced setup, customize your Wi-Fi name, password, and parental controls. WPA3 is recommended for security. If you encounter problems, contact Rogers support at 1-888-ROGERS-1. Always keep your router's firmware up to date. As of late 2025, the Rogers Ignite app is the primary way to manage and troubleshoot your router with easy self-serve options.